pleased to vent this evening about the demise of the Contender Boxing Series and by extension, the state of boxing in Jamaica. The Contender is now scrapped and abandoned after 8 exciting seasons. Pound for pound, this is one of the most telling blows to be suffered by any single sport in Jamaica in recent years. The Contender injected life, energy, and renewed interest into what hitherto was a dying sport in Jamaica. So it follows that local boxing will be heading back into the doldrums. I mean, the scrapping of the Contender itself is an index of the lack of development of the sport locally, with very few amateur boxers coming through the system and graduating into the professional ranks to replenish the stock of older, recycled professional fighters who featured in the Contender year after year after year. And when the Contender was there, it was bad and not too bad, because at least there was something on show to inspire and motivate the youngsters. With the Contender now gone, even less youngsters will be interested in the sport of boxing at both the professional and the amateur levels. When you're at the rundown facilities of the sport so desperately underfunded, boxing in Jamaica right now is down and getting the mandatory 8 count. 2, 3, 4. You sure you can continue? You sure you can continue? 5, 6, 7. Tell me what.